Welcome back, restoration enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to share the story of a stunning transformation, a vintage Spartan Royal Manor camper that's been restored and reimagined into a modern, luxurious home on wheels. Whether you're passionate about RVs, vintage design, or craftsmanship, this restoration project is sure to inspire. The Spartan Royal Manor was first introduced in the 1950s as a high-end, luxury mobile home designed to offer the comforts of a traditional home while on the move. With its sleek aluminum exterior, spacious interiors, and stylish mid-century modern aesthetic, the Spartan was once the epitome of American travel. However, like many vintage campers, it eventually fell victim to the passage of time and wear. That's where a dedicated team of restoration experts stepped in to breathe new life into this iconic piece of history. One of the most impressive aspects of this restoration is how the vintage charm has been preserved while upgrading the camper with today's best amenities. On the outside, the Spartan Royal Manor still flaunts its signature aluminum siding, a nod to its classic, retro style. But don't let the exterior fool you, the interior has been thoughtfully updated to offer the ultimate modern home-away-from-home experience. Inside, the restoration team worked diligently to keep the camper's mid-century flair intact while infusing the space with all the comforts of modern living. Many of the original features, like the beautiful cabinetry, were carefully restored or updated to maintain that nostalgic vibe, but with fresh materials and finishes that align with today's tastes. One of the highlights of this renovation is the kitchen. The original layout was preserved, but modern appliances were seamlessly integrated. With sleek countertops, stylish custom cabinetry, and updated lighting, the kitchen offers both practicality and beauty, perfect for preparing meals during your travels without sacrificing style. The bathroom, too, underwent a remarkable transformation. Modern plumbing, a brand new shower, and high-quality fixtures elevate this once functional space to something more akin to a luxury hotel bathroom. The warm, earthy tones used throughout the room create a serene, spa-like atmosphere, a perfect place to unwind after a long day of adventure. The living area maintains its vintage character with the original dinette and lounge seating, but both have been reupholstered with contemporary fabrics to enhance comfort without losing that mid-century feel. The sleeping area is equally inviting, with a plush bed and clever storage solutions that ensure a restful night's sleep while on the road. What makes this restoration so special is how it honors the Spartan Royal Manor's legacy while updating it for modern needs. The goal was never to erase its history but to enhance it, blending old and new in a way that's both functional and beautiful. The result is a camper that feels both nostalgic and fresh, a true testament to the art of restoration. This restored Spartan Royal Manor camper is more than just a mobile home, it's a piece of American history reimagined for the present day. Whether you're using it for weekend getaways, long-term travel, or simply as a charming retreat, this camper is the perfect blend of vintage elegance and modern luxury. It's a shining example of how passion, creativity, and hard work can transform something old into something truly extraordinary. Thanks for joining us on this restoration journey. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring transformations, design ideas, and restoration stories.